Today I'm going to show you how to use forms in Asana. Alright, so we're going to use the forms option in Asana. Get yourself into a project over here, go up to the top right hand side, click on customize, and here you will see a couple options. So you'll see the form option here in add, or you can just click on this over here. From here you can click on add, and here you'll be able to add a form. So only your organization will have access and can submit the form. And what we want to do ultimately here is we want to add a cover image. So let's go ahead and click on this. All right, we are uploading a random cover image. Also can see over here we have a content calendar management over here. So this has a little description as well as a heading. And then you can add in your name. So you can add a question or description and then an email address as well for whomever's adding the details in here. You can also drag another question here. Okay, so for example, we have attachment, heading, and then we have new question. So a new question can be pretty much anything that you would like to type in here. Go ahead, type it in, and then it is complete. All right, once you're done, you can actually view the form over here. It'll show you what your form actually looks like. So here we go, content calendar management. That was the description, name, email address, submit. We can also go ahead and share the form. So you can add by name, there'll be names in your team. You can also add by email, and then you can also go ahead and just click on copy link. You can also customize the message that is sent with that when sharing. You can also just copy the link directly here, and then you can also duplicate this form after you've saved whatever changes you've made. You have now added a form into one of your projects in Asana.